Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, I'm Beauty by Maria, and my channel is about giving you easy looks in less than under 30 minutes. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial kind of showing you what you can do at home and replicate it using only 6 products. And you could probably do it a lot less, but let's go ahead and get started with this no makeup look. So I'm going to start with the Matte 3D Foundation in Beige N200. And I'm just going to use a tiny bit. If you can see that, it's just a tiny bit. So I'm going to use my fingers on all this, okay? So you're going to go and rub it in your face. And you want to do circular motions going up. Right? I may need just a tiny bit more. Rub it and circular motions. I've already cleansed my face. I already did my cleanser. I already did a moisturizer for the day. And I also used not under eye, but a firming cream for my eyes. And here I have some fine lines and wrinkles, believe it or not. Alright, so that's already applied. So the next step I'm going to go ahead and do is first wipe off my fingers. You also want to make sure you have clean hands by doing this, okay? Alright, so my hands are clean. Let those dry a little bit. The next step I'm going to go ahead and do the Perfecting Concealer. This is in the color Light Beige. Awesome product. So I don't do like the whole entire area, right? Because I just want to make sure that's brightened. So I'm going to go ahead and go down and in just a tiny bit. Okay. Now this is supposed to brighten my eyes underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hands, my fingers, right? And very gently just tap it with my ring finger. Tap, tap, tap. And I know it looks super bright, but I'm telling you guys it's not. And go down just a tiny bit to my cheekbone. And basically what I want to do is brighten up the eyes, right? Lift them up. Go ahead and do that. Go to the other side as well. Try to use your ring finger. I'm notorious for using everything else except for my ring finger. The ring finger is the weakest finger, so it's perfect so you're not tugging on your under eye, which will cause extra wrinkles, premature wrinkles, and we do not want that, especially when you start getting into your 40s. Okay, now you can see, right? It's just like brightening it up. I know it looks super bright. No worries. You will see. Okay. All right, so that's 2 products so far. Probably just use a tiny bit too much. So you want to go ahead and clean your fingers again. Wipe your hands. Next step, I'm going to go ahead and take the Light Beam, and this is the liquid eyeshadow. It is not waterproof, right? But it does stay all day. You can actually utilize this as a base under your favorite eyeshadow to kind of make it pop even more, or you can actually use it as an inner corner highlighter, or you can use it on your brow bone. The possibilities on this is endless. You can also put this on your cheek to kind of give you that nice highlighted if you want to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and pat that in just a tiny bit more. Let that kind of, and I don't do baking. So if you want to see somebody that's baking, this is not the channel for you. Just being real. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take Light Beam, and it has this really cute dough applicator. Can't talk today. So I'm going to go ahead and put it under my eyes like so. Now, if you caught my last video, I was full of grays. My mom was nice enough to dye my hair, and that was about And I recorded that was about a month ago, that video. And I already have gray hairs already growing out, which I need to redo my roots. Just crazy. The salons aren't fully operational all the way up and running. So I just have to wait my turn. Until then, box dye it is. All right. So there I have my eyeshadow. And again, this is a no makeup look. So the really cool thing about this is, especially if you're doing virtual meetings now too, when you're wearing your glasses, I'll show you. See, you just look so bright and cheery, right? So all you need is a little eye concealer and a little bit of foundation, eyeshadow, and it goes a long way. Now, next step. So that was 3 products so far that we've used. The next thing I'm going to use is the Tinted Brow Gel. This is my absolute favorite. Mary Kay used to carry a clear gel, and then they went away with it, and I was like, no, but now they actually have this one. Can you find something comparable? Yes, you can. Any of these products you can find. If you have your favorite brands that you want to use, this is totally easy to recreate. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take my brow gel, and again, I always say this, you want your eyebrows to be sisters and not twins. If you want to go with the glammed up look, hey, totally up to you, whatever you want to do. Just try to make things easy for everyone here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Now, if you have thinner eyebrows and you like fuller eyebrows, you know, totally use a brow pencil and, you know, kind of fill in your brows and then go in with a tinted brow gel. It doesn't have to be a tinted one, but it could be a clear gel, and it kind of keeps it in place the entire day. It doesn't kinda, it does. But this is like one product that I couldn't live without. Okay, all right, so that is done. So that is 4 products used, and next thing I'm going to go ahead and use is the Fanorama mascara, part of the Lash Love collection that they have. I cannot say great things about this. If you saw my previous video, and I can link up the card up below so you guys could see it, but it does have 3 sections to it. It has a curvy side, it has a flat side, and then on the top side it has like little prickly things, so kind of basically helps you lift and separate your eyelashes. So I'm going to go ahead and do this really quick. I just can't get over this formula. It's water resistant, and total transparency, it takes me a little bit longer to take this off than normally I would. So look already the difference, right? It's already making the eyes pop. I love this. All right, I'm not even dipping it in. I'm just gonna go in with to the other eye again. You can use Lash primer if you choose to. I do not, at least for this now makeup look. Try to make it look as natural as possible, but still kind of giving you that, ooh, she looks so nice, well and rested look, you know, especially for your work meetings. All right. Makes you look like you have false eyelashes, but not really, right? If I go in just a little bit more, which I probably will, just do it. I just can't get over this mascara. If you're able to get it, get it. If not, you could probably find something comparable. You may have a mascara that you absolutely love. It's totally fine. Okay. All right. So that is product number 5. And again, we're doing a no makeup look, right? And last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and use the Mary Kay pH Balm. Basically, I'm going to go ahead and do this. And it tints your lips to your color of like pH balm. As you can see, it's changing colors, right? So the great thing about this is like a 2-in-1 product, right? And I'm going to show you how. So this is the no makeup look. Now if you want to have like a little healthier glow and you're like, oh, I just need a little bit of cheeks and stuff, here, let me show you. So I'm going to do a couple of dots here and a couple of dots here, and I'm just going to spread it on my cheeks like so. All right, so there you have it, guys. This is the using 6 products, no makeup look, right? It's very subtle. Obviously, you don't have to do the cheeks if you don't want to, but this is for somebody that really wants to feel like they need that extra little pop on their cheeks. But I feel like this no makeup look came out just wonderful by using 6 products. Again, all you need to recreate this look is your favorite foundation, a perfecting concealer or concealer for your under eye, your favorite lip gloss or lip balm, your favorite mascara, and your favorite brow tinted gel, or it could be just your brow pencil. But just utilizing these 6 products, you get this nice healthy glow, and I can't say enough great things about this. So thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate you, and if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit that like button, and I would love to hear from you to see what else you would like for me to do on my channel. And with that being said, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.